Each day with morning light and pastry scent, Miu and I make life sweet. Today, I'm making simple wagon wheels with biscuits and chocolate. Miu curiously sits beside me.
We need 1/3 cup of boiling water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, some aloe vera jelly powder, and a bar of chocolate.
First, I gently mix sugar and aloe vera jelly with hot water. The crystals slowly dissolve, leaving a smooth, clear blend. Warm steam rises, filling the kitchen with a sweet, delightful scent. Miu, my curious white cat, watches with wide blue eyes, as if eager to taste it first. Then I beat the mixture with the electric mixer until it turns creamy. Now I pour the prepared mixture into a cloth piping bag and pipe it onto the biscuits. And now I place another biscuit on top of the filling to complete the dessert. Wow, what an amazing treat! Miu, look! We place the dessert in the fridge for half an hour, letting it cool and set nicely. Meanwhile, we melt the chocolate in a bain-marie. It slowly softens, filling the air with sweetness. Now I pour the melted chocolate over the biscuits, coating them completely and making them shine. Dessert is ready. Miu and I thank you. Stay tuned for more.